not tell by the title, we are going to be turning ourselves into Esmeralda from The Hunchback of Notre Dame. No, I do not have green contacts in. This is the reason why. No, there is not going to be a costume style thing. If I end up wearing this out one of the days for a party or something like that, I will post a picture on Instagram. This is a character I wanted to do for a very, very long time. It's very hard to find this costume actually. So if you guys are ready to turn yourselves into the wondrous gypsy that is Esmeralda, keep watching. I already have my wig cap on and I have one of my earrings in because Esmeralda only wore one earring on her left side, and excuse my bra straps. Couldn't find a white bra to wear today, so we're just gonna tuck these puppies in. I've already primed my face with the Wet n Wild primer. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, which is obviously gonna be super light compared to my actual skin tone. I'm gonna try and make myself a little darker for the sake of this video, but not too dark that I'm like offending anybody. One of my favorite all-time, you know, just in general movies got such a strong female character in it. I take the COLLAB Honey Almond Color Corrector. This is a concealer too. Put this on my face. I'm gonna look a little strange for a couple minutes honestly because I need to achieve that darker base color. For foundation, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte 112 Natural Ivory and a tiny bit of the Revlon Nearly Naked. This is 220 Natural Tan, and I'm going to mix that on my hand. So it's gonna look strange. Obviously, I can't put it on my neck, otherwise I would if I was doing something that was full body. Next, we're gonna go in with my eyebrows because she's got some dark, bushy brows, which mine are dark, but they're not like black dark because I do spend a lot of time out in the sun. I give up. This is how we're wearing it today. I'm going to take this Color Tattoo by Maybelline. This is the Pure Pigments. I really love these. I used this at one time for my eyebrows. I'm just going to tap this into the cap. Fill in my eyebrows, taking the Wet n Wild angled eyeliner brush. So the only problem with using this is that there's like little blue specks of glitter in it. To do a little bit of contour only because like I have a potato shaped face. It's by Maiden. I'm gonna take this. This is just a tanny bronze, so trust me, this will go very well right now. I'm just gonna set my face because I'm not into that whole triage of highlighting and contouring. Honestly, I think it's the dumbest thing in the world. I'm going to set my face with the Coty Air Spun powder, and I'm going to avoid my eye area because I'm not going to wear an eye primer for this because we're not really using a bunch of shadows. Alright, now that I have powder on my nails, I'm gonna take this shade, oh my god, that I've probably had forever. This is by Sephora. This is called Surfer Dude, I think, our base. So this is gonna set the foundation that we actually have on our eyes. I'm gonna use a couple palettes for this, honestly, because like she doesn't really have eyeshadow on. We just kind of want to make our creases darker. Sephora, this is their New York palette. I'm gonna take this shade called Peanut Butter right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease a little bit. Once we're done with that shade, we're gonna go in with a shade from this CoverGirl palette. It's more of a reddish brown, sugar coated. This is 276. So we're gonna take this color right here very lightly. I'm gonna see if I can find a reddish brown color, which will most likely be in the Fabulous Face palette, because I don't know where the rest of my palettes are. So we do, and it's the shade Playful, which has been paired an awful lot. We're not going to take a lot of that, only because it's shimmery. We're done with our eyes. Well, the shadow part. Focal point of her makeup is really thick eyeliner slash eyelashes. Normally I would put the tattoo liner on top, but for the sake of this tutorial, because I'm not going to be wearing it all day, I'm not going to use it. But you guys know how my little finesse goes when I do my makeup. I take the e.l.f. cream slash gel liner, line my top lids very thick. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can smudge it further or whatever you want to do with that, but I'm not going to. Personally, I like this. I think this is thick enough because, remember, we're working with a small eye and then my eye. She has brownish, reddish, purplish lipstick on, so I'm going to line it with this red lip pencil from LA Colors. Go in with the Hard Candy Fierce Effects lipstick in Prowler. This is a glossier lipstick, so I'm not really keen on the formula, but the color is really good. Take this, put this on. Like, it's a really pretty color. It's just not a formula I like. Once you're done with that, you can essentially throw your wig on, or unless you have dark hair. Remember, I cannot put the pink scarf in the wig, because I don't know why it's not with the rest of this stuff. I thought I took it out. You can't really get the full effect. Okay, so we're done. When you guys are done with this look, you can obviously set it with a setting spray. I'm personally not going to because I'm not wearing this out the entire night, but I think this turned out really good. That is going to be it for my Esmeralda tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're gonna go as Esmeralda and you use my tutorial, please tag me. If you guys want to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook links are down below. Facebook.com/ITheNightArt. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and comment if you're excited for Halloween. This is one of my last tutorials that I'm going to be doing before the end of the season. The last one is probably going to be my favorite to do, even though I've been waiting to do this one a long time. I hope you guys have an awesome, fantastic weekend. Bye!